Hi, I'm Jewel Williams, Sheriff of Philadelphia. Together we can make our city a safer place to live by securing your guns. If you have a gun, get a lock. This is a semi-automatic weapon. As soon as you get home, you take the clip out. You want to rack it to make sure there's no bullets inside the gun. To ensure the safety of any weapon or any gun, take your gun lock, slide it through the slide and the handle of the gun. You then want to twist the key, lock the gun, separate the key from the gun. One of the best ways to make your gun safe is putting it in a lockbox. Lock it up, separate the key. Now you have a safe semi-automatic pistol. This is a revolver. To make it safe, you take the gun lock, put it through the barrel, insert it into the pad of the lock, and turn the key, and then separate the key from the gun. In order to make sure the gun is safe, you want to put it inside a lock box and separate the key. This is a 12 gauge pump shotgun. In order to make it safe by putting a gun lock on it, you must put it through the feeding chamber. So you feed it through, insert it into the pad of the lock, turn the key, and now it's safe. It's very important that you secure any weapon that you have in your home. Let's make our children safe. And if you need a gun lock, it's free at the Philadelphia Sheriff's Office on the 5th floor, 100 South Broad Street. Got a gun? Get a lock.